Good morning, good afternoon to all of you. I'm from Group 3 and we're showing you how to disassembly and assembly a system unit, in short, SU.
Step 1. Unplug.
Unplug every cable that is plugged in to your computer for safety purposes. That includes the cables such as power, USB, mouse, keyboard, Ethernet, modem.
Step 2. Opening the outer shell or case.
Unscrew the screws at the back of the system unit. Others may have large knobs that can be unscrewed by hand. Slide off the side panel towards the back of the system unit.
Step 3. Removing the system fan.
Unscrew the fan from the outside. Unplug the fan from the motherboard. You can find the plug by following the wire from the fan.
Step 4. Removing the CPU fan.
Unscrew the screws. Unplug the fan from the motherboard.
Step 5. Removing the wires from the power supply.
Unscrew the power supply. Unplug every wire.
Step 6. Removing the CD or DVD drive.
Unplug the ribbon from the back of the drive. Unscrew, then slide out in front of the system unit. Pull on the tab securing the drive in place.
Step 7. Removing the hard disk drive.
Unscrew the drives and place it in anti-static mat. Unscrew, then slide the slot out.
Step 8. Removing the RAM.
Push down on both tabs holding the RAM in place, which are located at both ends of the RAM.
Step 9. Removing the copy lens connection.
Unplug the power LED, HDD LED, front USB, speaker, etc.
Step 10. Removing the add-in cards.
Pull out from the back panel slot.
Step 11. Removing the motherboard.
Unscrew the motherboard. Remove the motherboard out of the frame.
Step 1. Prepare your workpiece.
Do an inventory. Make space, make time. Prepare grounding protection. Have the drivers ready.
Step 2. Prepare the motherboard.
Take the board out of its packaging. Inspect for any visible defect. Review the motherboard manual.
Step 3. Install the CPU.
Use the unlocking mechanism. Align the arrow found on one of the corners of the chip to the socket key mark. Lower the lever to lock the CPU into place.
Step 4. Install the CPU heatsink and CPU fan.
Follow the manufacturer's directions. Original equipment manufacturers omit CPU, and a separate heatsink may require thermal grease. Attach the heatsink and the CPU fan. Plug the CPU fan's power connector.
Step 5. Install the RAM.
Insert into the proper socket. Push down firmly on both sides of the socket pop into place.
Step 6. Place the motherboard into the case.
Carefully position the motherboard. Line up the holes and use the screws that accompany the case to fasten down the motherboard.
Step 7. Install and connect the power supply.
Install the power supply. Attach the ATX power connector. Attach the smaller, square processor power connector.
Step 8. Install the graphics or video card.
Remove the backplane cover from the AGP or PCI Express X16 slot. Install the graphics board in that slot, and then secure the card with a screw.
Step 9. Install the internal drive.
Slide the hard disk and the ODD on their respective rails or cage. Through them. Connect power and data cables to each one.
Install the add-in parts.
Carefully position the card above the slot, and press down firmly to seat the card.